For my primer, I'm going to be using the NYX Total Control Drop Primer Base. Just putting this, you know, all over the face. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay. And taking a flat top kabuki. I'm going to be using the MIlani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in Porcelain. I am almost out of it. Like, guys, I have to wet my beauty blender. Now I have to go out there looking like, I don't even know. Back with my wet beauty sponge. Seriously, most full coverage foundation from the drugstore that I've ever tried that doesn't break me out, doesn't leave a greasy feeling on your face at the end of the day. And I like the consistency. It's very fluffy and creamy, and it's hot in here. Wait, is it water? I don't think so. Now for my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair, sorry. Honestly, I don't think I know anyone who doesn't like this concealer. This concealer is bomb. Take my wet beauty sponge and blending that in. Ooh, that was a scary look. I like to put this on my eyes as well. Concealed. No. Concealed. No. I not only like to set my foundation with the CoverGirl pressed powder in Buff Beige, I also like to use the Airspun loose powder in my oily areas, in my smile lines, and all my creases. And then I'll go in with the CoverGirl Clean powder and with a big fluffy brush and just run that over. And now I'm going to be using the Senegence Moisturizing Lip Balm. Absolutely love this stuff. Seriously, like, your lips will drink this up. If I'm not wearing a lip color, I will always put this on. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. Again, with another Milani product. I love their brow pomades. This one is in soft brown. How I normally do my brows is I will draw a line directly under it on both sides to make sure that they're both even with each other. And then I will go up at the top and shape it how I normally like it. And then I fill in the sparse edges. Next, I like to take a drink because that was a lot of work. Ooh. Ooh. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel to set them in place so they don't fly away. Well, I'm in love with the Maybelline Fit Me powders, the Matte+Poreless ones, the Toffee Caramel. And I don't like to do eyeshadow, so I will just be using the pressed powder and putting a little in my crease just to give it a little bit of definition. Okay, so I took a little bit of a break because my camera died. I want to address something. Okay, so in my last video, I said I'm going to be posting a lot more frequently. Well, that was the plan. And I don't want to just leave you guys hanging because First off, that's mean. Second, I wouldn't want someone to do that to me. I'm not looking for perfection, but I knew that I was better than what I was putting out there, and I wasn't feeling confident enough with everything that I was filming. I know I'm not perfect, but I do want to make really good content for you guys. I don't want to just throw it out there if I'm not confident in it. I want you guys to like my content. I want you guys to enjoy it. The point is, I will do my best to post frequently, but I can't guarantee anything because I refuse to post something that I am not proud of. There you go. I'm glad I addressed that because I was going to forget. I'm going to get rid of my bake. It's done. It's very cooked. It's crispy. And now the fun part. Can you guess what it is? You don't need to. It's highlight. What do you mean? This has been my ride or die highlighting product. Probably already guessed it. It is my Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm just going to be mixing marshmallow and butterscotch. Those are my two favorite from the palette that I absolutely love. First, I'm going to spray my brush with my illuminating setting spray from Cover Effects. I think I broke it somehow because the spray bottle is so sheer. I don't feel like I'm getting enough, so I just sit there for like 20 minutes spraying myself. Oh, that was a lot all at once. I like to kind of lightly brush it on my inner lid just to blend it all together, and it makes it look so good. You know? Probably not. Okay. And I'm going to be using my top favorite blush right now, which is the Ulta Beauty You Make Me Blush palette, and it is the rose blush that comes in here. It's really dirty, don't mind that. And just, you know, pounce it on the cheeks. Okay guys, this concludes my summer glowy makeup look. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, letting me know. Oh, also, don't forget to comment down below what you want me to do next. I have a couple of ideas, but I want to hear it from you guys. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.